how to fix lag on Roblox mobile. So one of the reasons why this is happening to you while playing Roblox, because one, you open too many windows. So please make sure that your windows is closed, or you have one or two windows, the Roblox window and another one that you actually use, okay? And that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and recheck your connection. If your connection is medium to average, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just toggle on the cellular data, and what's gonna happen is you're gonna just go ahead and use your own mobile data instead, so you can get a better experience while playing Roblox. If that didn't work out with you, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, go ahead to the general settings, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the general, and here you're gonna see iPhone storage. In the iPhone storage, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down and click show all until you find the Roblox. Go ahead right here and offload the app. Offloading the app will free up some of the storage inside the Roblox app, and basically it's going to fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.